racing for their school. Michael C. Riley Elementary is holding its Riley Run, a fundraiser that supports school-wide activities and events. Students in every grade level had the opportunity to raise money for the school and earn fun rewards along the way.
If they've reached certain levels, we had a glow party earlier this week. They received different stickers and other, options for them. And then they also got to fundraise to try and get one of these cool shirts. And today is race day, so it's kind of like that culminating event of everything. So they'll run laps around our track for about 40 minutes. And the final overall reward, you could say, is if students reached the highest level, they got to pie a teacher.
The Riley Run also encourages students to stay active while promoting fitness, health, and wellness.
We wanted to tie in our wellness committee and that partnership with MUSC and all that they do for us. And a big thing was the kids, we have this great track around our playground area and the kids run a lap every day, but we thought it'd be so fun to kind of give them that challenge. We just started doing Marathon Kids this year, and that's another way that they're trying to reach their distance of running a full marathon before the school year's over. So this is just kind of another way to help them get to that point and to really emphasize your health is super important through a fundraiser, so everybody benefits.
Students hit the track with energy and excitement, having fun while focusing on health and wellness.
Because it makes you exercise and it makes you healthy. Well, it was fun about today because we kept getting scored and we kept laughing a lot because how funny it was.
It was fun to spread this water.
The Riley Run raised about $10,000 at Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.